Hi Cybertruck fans, I'm Ellie with T-sportline, and today I have two really big announcements to share with you. Number one, T-sportline has teamed up with Pure PPF, wonderful new company that's on the scene right now and creating a lot of waves in the Cybertruck community and all types of vehicle wraps. Check out their Platinum wrap. This is color PPF. This film is extra special because number one, it's going to protect your Cybertruck. Number two, it gives you a color change. And how special is this platinum color? I absolutely really love it. It is unique. It's unlike anything else that's out there. Very special color. And T-sportline is proud to be an authorized dealer for Pure PPF color change film, which by the way, comes with an 8-year warranty. It's extra thick, it's hydrophobic, it has self-healing properties. It's excellent. Now, after we went ahead and we wrapped the truck using this beautiful film, here's my number two special announcement for you. Check out our brand new 24-inch, fully forged CT10 wheels. Very similar to the Monoblock CTM wheels. Check out CT10. Finished in gloss black for a different full face appearance, for a different type of monoblock style wheel, but with 10 openings. I think it looks really great. It's got our new floating center cap assembly, which covers up all the mounting hardware and actually looks really good on all Cybertrucks. 24-inch to start. Stay tuned for 22-inch, 20-inch, probably also 18-inch. But right now we've got 24s in gloss black and a variety of colors, and this is a world's first. Now let's get back to, like I always say, it's in the details. After the wrap, after the wheels, what about the Foundation Series badges? All these early Cybertrucks have badging, but when you wrap them and you do a color change, you lose that. Well, we will go ahead and we recreate them using vinyl film and reapply it in the same locations: front fenders, rear tailgate. So the truck's wrapped. It's got some new 24-inch wheels and tires, which look amazing. It's been tinted and it's ready for delivery today for the customer. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have so much more amazing Cybertruck content coming your way soon.